Hello, and welcome to Planting Joy Gardens. Welcome to Planting Joy Gardens. I've been away for a week and now I have to harvest out some onions. So I started the harvesting process, and as you can see here, I am collecting bunching onions. They need to be cut down. I dropped seeds here, so those seeds need to have access to lights when they germinate. I also have some younger bunching onions that are going to erupt and they need the light. So I didn't take down the whole stand. I just took half the stand. And as these mature, I will also take these down as well. I guess I will be harvesting herbs today. So I got some onions. I did have one bulbing onion that wasn't bulbing, but it's been so wet. I went ahead and pulled it. You can also see that the oregano is having water sprouts. I don't want it to go to seed, so I'm going to cut this rapid growth off so that I can get larger seeds, larger leaves, and it will not um, go to flower as fast. Flowers are great for the bees, but it's a little too early. It's the very beginning of June, so I don't want my plant focusing on flowering. I want it to produce more flavorful leaves for me. Also, by cutting it, it'll keep it from falling over and taking root. It'll also help um, when I cut it to disperse the smell into the air as a deterrent to pests. It'll also encourage, you know, how your oregano, the center seems to die out. You have these very woody, almost bald centers. Well, if you cut it, if you truly harvest it on a regular, it allows some sunlight to get down into the middle of the plant. And like I mentioned before, I am out of oregano. And as it gets taller, it falls over, and that's how it creeps across the bed and takes over. So regular harvesting is exactly what you need to do. Keeps the plant healthy and keeps it producing. So I got a nice big handful of oregano here. I notice I have some volunteer carrots, and there's my giant lettuce that I want to go to seed. So we're going to check that out. I don't know if it's just one plant or multiple. It looks like it is multiple. So I'm not going to keep all this because that would just encourage disease. So I'm going to cut out what I don't need. I thought it originally thought it was one, but it is several, and I don't want to encourage slugs. So I'll just save this one, and I'll prop it up so that I can get the leaves. This was a butter crunch that went all winter, and it stood a long time. So I want to encourage this. Uh-oh, I think I may have broken it. I wanted to encourage it to keep going. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut it. I broke it. So it's coming out. I think what I'll do is grow some more. I do have more seeds. So now I've opened up a planting area for more lettuce. So this is a spot I can begin to plant. Or I can put, I think what I'll do is I'm going to transplant some of my kale here because I haven't been doing so great with kale. So I think I'll transplant it and give it a nice home. So yes, this is nice dark soil, and it should be able to get light. Since the lettuce did well, I imagine the kale would do well there. Okay, and now to harvest a little thyme. Again, just to keep it from getting too woody. And this is the lemon, and this is the English. So, and I do want to keep them separate. Give it a nice little haircut. This keeps it from getting woody. Are you enjoying the sounds of the nature, great outdoors? The birds are singing, nice gentle light. And as you notice, that is my banana pepper there. I hate mixing my thyme up. So here's what I have here. So I'll be using this right away. I'll put this to the side and then come back and harvest the other thyme because when you don't want lemon thyme, you don't want lemon thyme. So I try to keep my lemon and regular thyme separated. All right, so there we go. So let's just take another look at what we harvested today. Okay, I also have, sorry about the lighting, I also have my rosemary here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sprig because I take it only when I need it. So this long oversized sprig, I'm going to cut it here, little piece here. And when you buy fresh herbs in the grocery pack, this is about what you would get. And so I'm getting that. I'm going to use it, and I have the rest of the plant to cook with later in the year. And so here is what I consider my herb aisle of my garden. And it is early morning, and as I mentioned, I get dappled light in the morning, so that's what you're seeing. And it might be difficult to see my herb aisle. There you go. And I have this giant uh, tomato plant, and it is flowering, and we're starting to get fruit. I don't know if you can see. It's starting to fruit up, and it's all over. This is the Sweet 100, so I can't wait till I'm able to harvest some of these tomatoes. Here's a little bit more of my herb. I have some bulbing onions. I have some sage. These are the bunching onions I just cut down today. And there's the oregano that I just trimmed off. And here's my fluffy dog. So let's take a look at the harvest from my kitchen garden. I have some rosemary, thyme, Marconi pepper, plenty of oregano to start the drying process. I have some bunching onions and bulbing onions, which I'm going to treat as shallots. So this is pretty good from a small kitchen garden. This is 1 day harvest. I will continue to harvest all season long. My green veggies, my leafy greens are coming in, so I can always come out and grab leafy greens and season them up with the things that I have here. The potatoes will come in soon. I have lettuce readily available. As you can see, my dog likes my kitchen garden. He's been eating some stuff. He likes radishes and he likes carrots. Um, And the green beans will be producing for me soon. So get out there and enjoy your garden. I hope you're planting as much joy as you can. Thanks for watching. And now we're back in the house and you can see what my kitchen garden produced today. Rosemary, oregano, thyme, and a lovely pepper there. And this is the whole point of a kitchen garden, is to go out and bring in what you need to prepare your meals with.